Welcome to AI Global Tech. Have you ever wondered how to make smart money online? Well, one way to do that is through affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products. Imagine being the bridge between a product and the consumers, and getting rewarded for it. You don't need your own product or service, just a knack for connecting people to what they need or want. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into the steps to get started. The first step in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. It's all about finding a sweet spot where your passion meets a high demand for products or services. A niche that resonates with you will fuel your creativity and dedication, while its market demand ensures potential for earning. Whether it's fitness, fashion, tech, or travel, there's a niche for everyone. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is born from passion and profitability combined. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find the right affiliate program. Now let's talk about finding the right affiliate program. It's crucial to align yourself with a reputable program that offers high commissions and has a good track record. Why? Because you want to be sure that your efforts are rewarded appropriately, and that the program you're promoting is trustworthy. Imagine the disappointment of driving traffic to a product that doesn't deliver, or a program that doesn't pay out as promised. With the right affiliate program in hand, the next step is to create quality content. Once you've found the right affiliate program, it's time to create and promote quality content. The secret sauce to affiliate marketing is crafting informative and engaging content that resonates with your audience. It could be blog posts, videos, or podcasts, as long as it provides value and subtly integrates your affiliate links. To attract potential customers, your content should solve problems, answer questions, or entertain. Make it unique and authentic to stand out in the crowded digital space. Now, on to promotion. The aim is to drive traffic to your affiliate links, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Social media is a powerful tool, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest. You can also leverage email marketing, a tried-and-true method to reach your audience directly. And don't forget about SEO. Optimizing your content for search engines can bring organic traffic and increase your chances of conversions. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time and effort to see results. But with consistency and commitment, it can be a great way to make smart money online. So, that's it for today's guide on affiliate marketing for beginners. We've covered the basics of affiliate marketing, the importance of choosing the right niche, finding a reputable affiliate program, and creating engaging content. Remember, promoting your content effectively is key. While it may take time to see results, your consistent efforts can lead to smart money online. Thanks for watching this video on affiliate marketing for beginners. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel AI Global Tech for more videos. Thanks for watching.